Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session we are going to discuss about search functionality in MVC. In previous example we had seen how to perform the CRUD operations in MVC by using ADO.NET. So we are going to continue with the same example. Here we are going to create a search criteria like this. So based on product name we can search, based on price we can search, and quantity. Before continuing with this session, I would request you all, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for notification alerts. First we'll run the application and we'll see the output. These ADO CRUD operations we performed in previous example. If you are new to my channel, go through with the previous examples so that you can understand what we are going to implement in today's session. For better understanding, please watch this video till the end. This is the output of our ADO.NET CRUD operations example. So click on the product master. So like this we are binding all the products from the products table. Whenever user clicks on create new product, user can create the new product. User can perform actions like edit, delete operations from the screen also. Now we are going to introduce such functionality here like this. So based on the product name or price or quantity, we have to filter the data. So we are going to work with the product controller. So whenever our page loads, we are going to bind the data based on this index action method. So right click on this action method, go to view. So here we have to add our search functionality design part. Also you can access this index view from views product index. So you can use any one option. So here we are going to add our search functionality design part. I'm going to create one div here. Here we have to use the get method. For that, here we are going to call index action method. Then we have to provide the controller name, that is product controller. Then we have to specify the method, whether it is get or post. So we are going to use the get method because we are going to get the data to bind. Here we are going to create one table. I'll use table row and table data. Here we need search by label. For that I'll use span. This search by. Also I want to keep this text as bold. Then I need 3 radio buttons here. For that you can create more than 3 also. Based on our requirement we can create the radio buttons. So first we are going to pass product name, and by default it should be checked. For that I am using true. Here I am going to pass text. This product name. So like this we need two more radio. I'm copying these things. Here I need price, then we need quantity. So we are going to pass this product name with the search by value. So when user is submitting whenever user clicks on the search button, so we have to pass the search by value, that is whether it is product name, whether it is price or quantity for the validation purpose. Then we need one text box to enter the value. Here we are going to pass search value. And object, we don't have any object here. Here we can assign HTML attributes. We will add few classes here. It is form control. And also I want to add placeholder for this. Here we will provide the placeholder value like enter product name or price or quantity. We are going to provide the filter for all these three values. Here we are going to add button. What is input type? We are going to provide as submit. Then here we have to provide the value, that is search. Here we will apply bootstrap classes, btn success. So our design part is completed. We will run the application once. We will put one break so that we will get some space between this table and this search. Here I'll put one break. Also here next to this I'll put one more TD, and here I'll add some space. Reload the page. Here we have to set the product name as default value. So here we have to remove this one, we did mistake. So that now product name will be selected by default. Reload this. So now user can select the price, quantity or product name. So any of the field he can select and he can provide the value. Based on this search by item and this value, we have to filter this data and we have to bind into the table. For that we have to open our product controller. Here only we are going to validate based on these two parameters. One is search by and search value. So here we have to pass two parameters. One is search by and another one is search value. So we are going to use these two parameters to filter the data. Suppose if product list is empty, that means product list dot count is 0, then we are showing this alert message to the user. Else we have to validate our filter part. I'll stop it. If string is null or empty, first we have to check the search value is available or not. Based on that only we have to validate. Suppose if this data is empty, we have to display the information message to the user. Please provide such value. If we have such value, then only we can filter, correct? Then we have to return the view. So this view is product list. Suppose such value is not null, that means it's not empty, then we have to check like if search by. So what is the parameter they passed? We should know. So we have to convert into lower case. So here we have three categories. One is product name. If search by is product name, then we have to filter search by product name, that is product list dot where this is product list. Here we can filter with where condition. Here product such that p dot product name. So here we have to convert into two lower because it is a string value dot contains such value dot to lower. Here if search by parameter value is product name, that is this is the value we are passing into the search by. If search by is product name, we are going to filter the product list where product name is contains this search value. Okay, then we have to return the view. Here we have to pass this list. Then same thing we have to keep it in else if for the price and quantity. This is the price. Here we are going to pass price because this is the decimal dot pass, what is the search value. Here we have to pass. We are converting passed value, that is we are passing as a string, so we are converting into the decimal. So now we will get the search by this is product price. So here we have to pass into the view. Like this we have to check quantity. Suppose passed value is quantity, then we have to filter the product list. Here we no need to pass this because it's not the string. Here quantity is integer, we are converting into the int. This is search value. So now we have to return to this view. So this is our index view. So what we applied, we passed two parameters. One is search by, one is search value. On what basis we are searching? So that is stored in the search by, that is whether it is product name, price or quantity to validate, and we are passing the value, that is the text box value into the search value parameter. So we are getting the search by and search value here. If product count is 0, so we are showing the information message to the user. If it is greater than 0, that means we have any products inside the product table, then we are going into the search parameters. If it is null, search value is null, we are showing the information message like please provide the search value, so that we can show it to user. If user is provided value, that is search value, then we are checking. So on what filter applied by the user, whether it is product name, then we are filtering the product list based on product name. So we are converting, this is the string value, we are converting into the lowercase and we are searching here. If any product contains with this search value, it will be displayed into the view. So if search by parameter is price, then we are converting into the decimal, because this price is decimal data type. So we are converting into the decimal and we are passing the search value. So if there is any product available with this price, then it will be displayed in the view. Finally, we are checking with the quantity also in the same way, and if there is any product available with the quantity which is mentioned by the user, then that will be filtered and it will be displayed in the view. So here quantity is integer data type, so that's why we are converting into the integer. Now we will run the application. So this is our product master. Suppose I am going to filter with the product name, that is Nokia, search. So it is filtering by the Nokia. Here I want to search with other item like Samsung, search. So we can filter with the Samsung. I am not providing any value, I am planning to search without any value. It is showing all the products, it is showing the information like please provide the search value, and it is loading all the products also. Now I want to filter with the price. Suppose I want to filter with the value of 17,000. I want to filter the products. If I enter the price as 17,000, I am going to get the 17,000 product. Suppose I am entering as 0, I am trying to search. So here we don't have any products, it's not showing anything. Suppose here I am removing everything and I'll try to search. So it will show the please provide the search value. Also it will display all the products. Now we will try to filter the items with the quantity. That is quantity I am passing as 1 to 6. Search. So it is showing as per our requirement. So like this you can implement the search functionality in MVC. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.